How's it going, guys? I'm Miles. I'm the owner of Iconic Pools and Spas. We're doing a glass bead job here, cleaning the calcium line off this tile. A lot of people get a heavy buildup due to hard calcium levels in the water or poor maintenance from pool service. Whether or not either one, it can always be cleaned. The main reason vapor blasting is superior over the traditional glass bead application is dustless. As far as you breathing it in, the customer breathing it in, the actual applicant breathing it in, again, getting all over the furniture, the roof, getting all over the deck. Dustless application makes it nice and easy for us to work in, a safe environment, and much easier to keep the yard clean when we're done. After the blasting is done, we let the glass bead media settle to the bottom of the pool floor. We clean it up with the portavac system with the portable pump and filter, so it's not going into our customer's system. As our very last step, we apply a Miracle 511 impregnator sealer on the waterline tiles. It's going to help put a protective barrier over your freshly cleaned tile. It's going to help bead off the water and also from that calcium line forming again.